Hi everyone, welcome to the CodeQueryHub. In our previous video, we learned about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP along with practical hands-on examples. If you haven't watched the video yet, I recommend watching it first. The link is given in the description below. Now, in today's session, we are going to continue with the same topic, but we will move one level ahead. We will be learning about reverse lookup functions in Excel. These functions are very important because unlike VLOOKUP, they can search in any direction from left, right, up or down. So why we use reverse lookup? So normally VLOOKUP searches from left to right, but in real-time scenarios, sometimes we need to find a value that exists on the left side. So in that case, reverse lookup come into picture. For example, we have a employee master and we have to search for employee ID with the help of department, or we can say with the help of name. Suppose we take the example, find employee ID by entering name. So if we have to find the employee ID of Mohan, then we have to search for the employee ID 103 from the left side of Mohan, which is not possible in the case of VLOOKUP as it cannot search from right to left. Let's take another example. Suppose we have a product master and we have to find the product name using the product code MS203. So in the given table, we can see that MS203 code product name is joystick. So if we have to find the product name of this product code, we have to search for the left. So again, VLOOKUP fails here because we cannot search with the help of VLOOKUP from right to left. So this is the scenario, and here the reverse lookup functions come into place. So today I'll show you two powerful functions that are mostly used in companies for doing the reverse lookup. First is index and match, and second one is XLOOKUP. So let's start with the index and match method. It is a powerful combination used to search for a value from any column by matching a related value. So let's see how it works. Index will give you the value and match will return the position of the lookup value. Let's see how. First of all, let's understand the concept of indexing here. So in index and match, the indexing starts from 1. So in the backend, the indexing will be done like this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So if I have to say like Priya has what indexing? So Priya is written in third row and second column. So the indexing for Priya is 3, 2. So if we have to find the value of Priya, how we will do with the help of index? We have to select the table, comma, row number. Priya is in which row? Third row. And in which column? Second column. So it must give the value Priya. Yes, it is giving. Suppose we have to find the same for Sham. Let's check it again. Let's select the table array, comma. Row number for Sham is 6 and column name is 2. So we have Sham. So in this way, indexing works. How match works, how it returns the position of the lookup value, let's see. So for Mohan, the position lies in the fourth row. So it must give the position as fourth. Let's see. Match function will take the lookup value. But we are looking for Mohan and lookup array from where the Mohan is placed in the name column, comma. We have to give the match type. I already told you in the VLOOKUP, we have to choose whether 0 or 1. 0 for exact match and 1 for approximate match. Here we have to find the exact match, so we are using 0. And let's see. Yes, the position comes as 4. Now let's take another position for a lookup value 104. Lookup value is 104, comma, lookup array is employee ID, comma, we have to search for the exact match, which is 0, then bracket close. It must return you the value for 104, it's 5. And let's see, yes, it's 5. Let's copy the formula. Now let's see this example. Let's find the employee ID by entering name. So if we have to find the employee ID of Mohan, so how we will do it? Index, what is the array? This one. And row number for Mohan is 4, comma, column number is, employee ID is 1. So we will find the employee ID of Mohan with the help of index, but this method is more manually because we have to mention like in which column or which row a particular name or something is present. But if the value is changed, then how we will proceed? So to do it in the more dynamic way, let's see how we will do. We have to use the combination of index and match. Let's see how. First, we have to select the array, comma, row number in which Mohan is present. How we are going to do it? We have already seen like match, lookup value is Mohan, comma, lookup array is name, comma, exact match. And in which column we have to search? Employee ID. So in this case, we have to again use the match function and lookup value is now employee ID, comma. It should return first column, but how we are going to find it? We will say the lookup array is the column headers now and exact match. So again, it is giving you the same value, but it is dynamic. If your value changes or some rows are added, the formula will not affect. It will give you the correct answer. So the more practical approach is to use the dynamic formula here. So this one is the correct method to do the question. Now let's see this question also. Find the product name using the product code. So we have to find this. So the answer must be joystick. Let's see how we can do it with the help of index and match. So let's do it with the dynamic approach. So this is your table array, comma. We have to find the row number with the help of match function. So lookup value will be this one, comma. In which row MS203 is present? How to find? Select the row, select the column where the MS203 is present, comma, we have to do the exact matching. And we have to find the column number. How we are going to find it? So now the lookup value should be product name, comma, column headers, and then we have to find the exact match. So the answer for this is joystick, and this is the dynamic method. So in the manual method, how to do it? I already told you. Let's see manually. Index, comma, table array, comma, row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, column number. Product name is present in first column. So we can do it manually also. But this is not feasible for the large data set. If we are going to change the data set, it will create problems. So this one is manual approach, and this is dynamic approach. I hope it's clear. Now let's look at an easier function, which is XLOOKUP. So let's see how it works. We will use the same tables and with the help of XLOOKUP. So first question is find the employee ID by entering the name. So now we have to find the employee ID of Ram. Let's see how we can do it with the help of XLOOKUP. So lookup value is Ram, comma lookup array is name where the Ram is present. So we have to select this table, comma return array means where the array from where we want to return the value, which is employee ID. We want the employee ID. If not found, let's skip this. And match mode is exact match. So the employee ID of Ram should come as 104. So yes, it comes. Let's see another example. Find the product name using the product code, this one. So how to find it with the help of XLOOKUP? Let's see this case also. XLOOKUP, this is the lookup value, comma. Lookup array means the array in which the product code is present, comma. Return array, product name array, comma. If not found case, skip that one. And match mode is exact match. For exact match, we will use 0 and then enter. The product is joystick. Let's copy this formula. Let's check another, maybe price. So we have to find the product name with the product price 15,000. Suppose we have to find this one. Let's say the question is find the product name of the product having product price equal to 15,000. So how we are going to find it? It's very easy with the help of XLOOKUP. So this is our XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array is price in this case, and return array is product name, comma, comma, exact match, and this is printer. So in this way, we can easily find the values in the left, right, or any direction with the help of XLOOKUP and index and match. So the reverse lookup functions are more important. Let's quickly compare all the lookup functions we learned so far. VLOOKUP can only search from left to right. HLOOKUP can only search from top to bottom. XLOOKUP and index and match can search in any directions. XLOOKUP is easier and modern, while index and match gives you more control and flexibility over the indexes. So now you know how to perform reverse lookup functions in Excel using XLOOKUP and index and match both. So these methods helps in cases where VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP fails to search from right to left or top to bottom. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to CodeQueryHub for more practical and data science tutorials. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.